सेंटर एंड रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल विद इक्वेशन। अब यहाँ पे इक्वेशन गिवन है, सेंटर और रेडियस निकालना है। दिस इज वेयर ओ लेवल मैथमेटिक्स सॉल्यूशन टू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वुड कम इन हैंडी इफ यू नो कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर। दिस इज आवर equation of a circle, and if we can bring it to this format, we're good to go. So let's say we combine the x's, x square plus 10x. What can we do with this? Remember, whenever it's in this format and the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c, that's the general form of a quadratic equation, and our equation does not look like that. What do? We add half of 10 and then subtract half of 10 the square from it, and this is how we are able to compress it into compress it through identities. I'll tell you what identity I'm talking about. If you remember, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now it looks in that format, and we can compress it and make it look like this. So this is the expanded form, this is the factorized form. So we are going to convert it into the factorized form. How? Take a look. X square plus 10x plus 5 square minus 5 square. Now this is where compression would come in, factorization would come in. This is what it would look like. X plus 5 whole square minus 25. Similarly, let's solve. We're done with these two. Let's solve y square and minus 8y. And I'll circle this so that we don't forget where our answer was. Y square minus 8y. What do? We add the half of 8 and take the square of that. Half of 8, take the square of that, and then subtract the same thing to balance out whatever we've done. This will become y square minus 8y plus 4 ka square minus 4 ka square. All of this can be factorized to form y minus 4 whole square minus 16. ठीक है? How does this work? If you're lost, take a look. आप ये वाली वैल्यू यहाँ लिखते हो, ये साइन यहाँ लिखते हो, और लास्ट वाला नंबर यहाँ लिखते हो, उसका स्क्वायर ले लेते हो. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी डू. एक्स यहाँ लिखा, प्लस यहाँ लिखा, लास्ट वाला नंबर लिखा और उसको स्क्वायर ले लिया. यहाँ पे वाई लिखा, ये वाला साइन लिखा, 4 लिखा और उसका स्क्वायर ले लिया. आई पुट अ टिक मार्क ओवर हेयर, चेक मार्क दैट वी डन दीज टू एज वेल. तो अब सिर्फ 40 रह गया. इसको हम let's put it in a box so that we know that's the first answer and second answer. So let's write them down. X plus 5 whole square minus 25, ये पहले लिख दिया. Then we're going to write y minus 4 whole square minus 16, ये दूसरा लिख दिया. अभी भी देखें 40 पे टिक नहीं लगाया था, तो 40 को यहाँ प्लग इन कर देते हैं. minus 40 is equal to 0. Now we will try to convert it into the format which is given up here. ठीक है? Let's do that. X plus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, and if you bring everything on the right hand side, what do we get? If we add them together, we get 81. ठीक है? That is our answer. Or if you want to convert it into R square format, you can also write it like this. I'll tell you why we are doing this in this particular case, because the question didn't say we need the equation. We already had the equation. The question says find the center and the radius. यहाँ से radius बताना easy हो जाएगा. What is the radius? The radius is 9. Because 81 was the square of the radius. And the center or the value of A and B is minus 5 and 4. अब ये साइंस क्यों चेंज किया, इस प्लेलिस्ट की पहली वीडियो में आपको वो नज़र आ जाएगा. गो एंड व्यू दैट अगेन.